Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn the 5 reasons your landing page fails to convert visitors into leads. In fact, the standard conversion rate for a landing page is between 35% and 45%. If your landing page converts below 35%, then it's not optimal and should be improved. And in this video, I show you how to improve your landing page conversions up to 45% and above. Before starting the main topic, make sure to download my free book in the description below. This book is called Email Money and it teaches you how to build the #1 digital asset online using just your email address. Moreover, this book helps you how to earn 6 figures, 7 figures, up to 9 figures online using just your email and 15 to 30 minutes of work daily. Please download this free book in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want to improve your email marketing skills, copywriting skills, and if you want to learn the new methods to generate leads. Let's start our topic. The first reason that causes you to get low landing page conversion is weak headline. If your headline is weak, your landing page will not convert. Headline is the first thing that visitors see in your landing page, so it should be attractive and attention grabbing. So how to improve your headline to make it attractive and attention grabbing? Number 1, mention the big benefits of your product or services in your landing page. Number 2, use specific numbers, specific statistics, or specific information in your headline. Number 3, use trigger words in your headline. What are trigger words? Trigger words are words that trigger the emotions of a reader to take action. For example, new, discover, free, solution, passive income. These are the proven types of trigger words. Here is an example of a headline that included 3 of them: benefits, specificity, and trigger words in the headline. Example: discover the easiest passive income system that allowed me to make $10,000 a month. $10,000 a month. So what's the benefits here? $10,000 a month. The big benefits of the system is $10,000 a month. Specificity, what's a specific number in the headline? $10,000 a month. What are the trigger words in this headline? The first trigger word is discover, the second is easiest, and the fourth is system, and the fifth is passive income. These are power words that are used in this headline, and make sure to use power words in your headline. Reason number 2 that causes you to get low conversions with your landing page: mismatch of landing page and ad copy. If your ad copy doesn't match with your landing page, so it will distract the visitors. Make sure to make both of them match with each other. What is the solution of this problem? Mention in your ad copy whatever you are claiming on your landing page. Whatever you are saying in your landing page, please clarify it in your ad copy as well. For example, if you mentioned in your landing page how to lose 10 pounds in 10 days, please clarify that in your ad copy in a specific way. Reason number 3, no social proof. No social proof. So if you don't use social proof in your landing page, so the visitors will not trust you. What's the solution of this problem? Add social proof, preferably in video form. So use testimonials or reviews of the customer or or the people that used your product or services and achieve success with in your landing page. Reason number 4, CTAs below the fold. So CTA stands for call to action, and it should be above the fold. If your CTA is below the fold, the visitor will not see it in order to take action. What's the solution of this problem? The solution for this problem is add CTA or call to action above the fold. So in this case, I show you the example in order to understand more in the next part. Reason number 5, distraction. So if you use multiple pages, fancy designs, a lot of fonts or text in your landing page, it will distract the visitors, so they will not dare to take action. So don't use too much images, don't use multiple pages. One page is enough for a landing page. So what's the solution for this problem? One page is enough for lead generation. It means one landing page is enough for lead generation. So don't use multiple pages. So I show you the example of a proven landing page here. This is my own landing page for my free book that I told you about. It's called Email Money. So here is the headline: free book reveals how to build the #1 digital asset using just your email address. So what's the big benefit of this headline? The big benefit is just using your email address to build the #1 digital asset. These are the headlines and the sub-headlines or the bullet points, which is very short and attractive. So this is the call to action: free instant access. So it's above the fold, as you see here, so it is visible. So it should be visible in a one-page landing page. So if it's below the fold, so the visitors will not see your landing page. This is the social proof or the testimonials of the landing page that people give for this offer. But the testimonials or the social proof is in a written word. So as you see, this is a one-page landing page and attractive enough in order to grab people's attention to become my lead. So summary: what are the causes of low converting landing page? Number 1, weak headline. Try to improve your headline. Mention a big benefit. Use a specific number or trigger words as well. Number 2, mismatch of a landing page and ad copy. So your ad copy and landing page should match with each other. Number 3, no social proof. Please use social proof in your landing page. Number 4, CTA below the fold. Try to use CTA above the fold. Number 5, distractions or using multiple pages in your landing page. Try to use one page for a landing page. Thanks for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos regarding your email marketing skills, copywriting skills, or lead generation skills. Thank you very much.